guys, I am driving back from my radio show over here in Whitesburg, and oh my gosh, I want you to look at these trees. Are those fall colors not gorgeous? I tell you, this is perfect. This is such a scenic drive. I'm feeling very energetic today. And as soon as I get back home, I've got to hurry up and get to the Fall Frolic. So join me today. Let's see what happens at the Fall Frolic. And we're here. I hear the MP Ashley singing. Oh, and there's lots of geese down there that have come to join us. So let's get set up for this. What a beautiful day. Nice cool breeze. Not hot, not cold. Perfect. Oh my God.
And the children, they pray, but be upon you in 1,000 generations.
It's getting faster. It's coming along. And the grill is going. We're getting there. We've still got about half an hour till it starts. People have already shown up. And we're gonna start here in about 30 minutes. Yes. And such good food too. Such a pretty place to have this. It's awesome. Oh, these colors. This foliage is so pretty. It's awesome. Also, I just wanted to do a shout out to somebody I don't know. Because I was in Subway yesterday and I was getting my lunch because Subway was the only place that was not packed. And I ordered my, I got my sandwich and I got me some chips and I ordered my drink. And I'm standing there getting ready to pay, and this guy, I don't know who you are, and I can't find you on my subscriber list because it only shows me who is allowed to see subscribers. And so this gentleman, older gentleman, who was dressed very professionally, said, "Are you Will Taylor?" And I said, "Yeah." And he said, "Oh my gosh, I watch your YouTube every day. Let me buy you lunch." And I'm thinking, did you say that loud enough so people in the back can hear it? But I said thank you then, and I want to say thank you again. And that was nice. That was awesome of you to do that. So thank you so much. The sun is setting. We have had a wonderful Fall Frolic, and we're getting ready to build the fire. And the reason I haven't videoed is because if you've watched my videos before, you know that I don't like to video people that I haven't asked if they will let me video them. And there's too many people here to ask everybody. So I'm just, yeah, you can hear them behind me probably. I don't know, I'm kind of far out here. But yeah, so let's build a fire. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to say goodnight because I'm having to leave. Whoo, that 3 a.m. getting up is really worked on me. So please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.